This is gonna blow your mind. The U.S. military has commissioned drones for some time now that are so small they're designed to be mistaken for insects. That's right, I said insects. We're told these tiny intel reconnaissance drones are being used in the fight against terrorism. However, reports in New York and the Washington, D.C. area indicate that these drones, referred to as tiny machines hovering around, are being seen by private individuals at public gatherings, such as the anti-war rally in Lafayette Square recently. Those reporting these tiny machines flying around insist they were not real bugs. Of course, the FBI, CIA, and other governing organizations deny these spy drones were in use at those times and places.